In today's episode, I'm doing a little bit of cooking. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, I'm participating in a collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled The Holiday Progressive Dinner. If you're not familiar with a progressive dinner, it involves moving from one house to another for each course of the meal, and at the end of today's video, I will include the next stop of the journey. Now, you are going to experience different holiday traditions and cuisines throughout the evening. So this is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan and Leona at Ebony, Ivy, and Time. Now, the other participants in this collaboration is Dee at Dee's Lovely Life, myself, Stephanie at CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget, Clarissa at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa, and Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone in this challenge, I'll have the information listed below, and you can go through their channels and see what everyone is cooking. Now, if you want to see what I cooked for today, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, we're making a simple icebox banana pudding, and here are some of the ingredients. Now, we're using Jello pudding, which is this one, we're using banana cream. Now we have 4 there, but we're not using all 4. Please excuse the mess, small kitchen, a lot of cooks. We have bananas and we have manila wafers. And I was fussing, why do we call it manila when it's in? I'm using some condensed milk, Eagle brand. I always use Eagle brand milk. And then something new is some Chessman butter cookies. Now we're also using what is some whipped cream and some cream cheese. So here we're going to put the ingredients in the mix. We're putting in a cup of milk. And now we're adding a package of pudding. Now we're going to set this to stir this up and blend it really well. It's a very simple recipe, guys. My mom started making this years and years ago to make banana pudding because it was taking too long to cook it the other way. But this is an icebox one, quick to cook. You'll love it, very fulfilling. Now we whip the pudding until the pudding is mixed really well. And then the next item we're going to be adding in will be the cream cheese. I don't know about you, but I like cream cheese. Now my younger brother is putting this together. This is his favorite recipe, y'all. He fixed this every year since my mother taught him how to do it. Now we're going to add the can of condensed milk or Eagle brand milk. And next we're going to add the whipped cream. I'm telling you, while we were cooking this, there were 4 other cooks in the kitchen, at the same time. And the kitchen is not that much counter space, so we really had to work in turns. As one was doing one, we would get that space and do this or grab this and try to continue on. But we really enjoy eating this dessert. Now, as you see, this is the second container of whipped cream. We like it gets really fluffy and thick. I'm telling you, you will love this. Excuse me. Now we're going to put the blender back on, the whip back on, and whip the ingredients together to come up with the pie. Now while it is whipping all of this together, I'm going to go over here, and my niece is going to be putting the cookies in the bottom of the pan. Now that's going to be so good. You're going to love it. Trust me. You have to try it. Now, we normally put vanilla wafers in the bottom, but my sister-in-law had us try these butter cookies instead. So my niece is putting all the butter cookies in. But it's up to you if you want to use the vanilla wafers or these butter cookies. Either way, it's really, really good. Now next we're going to chop up the bananas to put them inside of the for the banana pudding. Now we're going to add the bananas. We put the cut bananas on top of the cookies. And then after we cover it with the bananas, then we add the pudding mixture. Then after the pudding mixture, we put manila cookies or manila wafers, and then bananas, and then more pudding mixture. And you can level this up as high as you want. It's all up to you. Now, when you get to this point, you're pretty much finished. But my mom used to always like to crumble up the remainder of the manila wafers and sprinkle them over the top. She would let the grandbabies help with that, and they would love it. She would like to have them in there fixing this dessert with her. Now, after you do all of this, you can sit this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. And I'm telling you, it's the best banana pudding. And the best time also to eat it is the next day when the cookies are softer. Trust the girl. Now, in this hop, the next person is a cozy lifestyle with Clarissa. Now, I will have Clarissa's link down below to her channel where you can check out what she's cooking next. And I hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you try it, let me know down below if you're going to try it. I know you're going to enjoy it. And I want to thank the ladies for including me in on this hop, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.